Well, you know who's not going to be doing this? This victim in the next story. She was a victim of the Elon Musk Bitcoin scam. As if it's not hard enough to navigate the crypto market. Also, in the replies is all the actual scammers. The minute you open your mouth on this subject, like there's going to be a scammer now in this because we talked about it. And it's people who impersonate somebody else and then tell you you're about to double your money with crypto and then get you to send the money. And then that's it. You just lost. I mean, in her case, she lost 9,000 British pounds, which is she was going to use as a down payment, a deposit on a house, on a home. She says, it has affected me massively. I wish I could have that time back, go in a time machine and not make those couple of clicks. Good Lord. And you know what? I put this story in here because it's worth talking about anyways, because still some people don't know this stuff goes on. And it happens on my tweets and it happens on everybody's tweets. That you have all this lineup of people that are trying to scam you. And whether it's with all the giveaways we do as well, there's people trying to sneak in on everybody.
Sure, yeah.
And it's profitable for them. And every time they get somebody, they get encouraged to do more of it. Mm-hmm. So we really got to be alert. Everybody's got to be alert on this.
And they're getting better. Apparently this, they took her to this BBC website. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
And it looks pretty official.
Oh, yeah.
And that's where she got scammed.
Oh, yeah. And you got to check the URL. You got to look at where you actually are. You got to just never expect that anyone wants to give you anything. Unless it's me and it's a giveaway. Then I'm going to give it to you.
Yeah.
But even there, it's not like everybody wins. Like it's a select number of people. Be skeptical in general. Because the internet is a wild and massive place.
God, 18 million worldwide.
She says, I want to raise awareness of this scam so it doesn't happen to other vulnerable people. She says, they have robbed me of my dignity, self-respect, self-worth, and strength. They have sucked all the goodness of life out of me. I mean, that's brutal. Because it's not just that they steal the money from you. You feel like an idiot as well.
For sure.
You feel like, did you ever have something happen like that to you, Will? You ever get like scammed or robbed or something? And all of a sudden you felt like an idiot? Like, oh.
Yeah. But it was like a $20 kind of thing.
Still, but it was sucked. A small dose of what that's like.
Yeah.
And so this is in a bigger way for this particular person, but that's at least there's some good can come out of it, and she can at least realize the same thing, which is herself on the BBC and now us. We say to other people, here's a chance to avoid such a thing. Be skeptical. Assume that nobody wants to give you any Bitcoin. Assume that if something sounds fishy, it probably is. Almost always.